Welcome back. Today we are looking at the how Dell UltraSharp U2720Q 27 LCD LED monitor 3840X delivers professional results. When professional creators, heavy-duty engineers, and rigorous office power users search for a display workstation, the conversation almost invariably leads to Dell's legendary UltraSharp ecosystem. Check the video description for the updated price link. While many modern consumer displays are built out of brittle plastics designed to fail after a couple of seasons of heavy use, Dell approaches engineering with industrial-grade standards. In this comprehensive review, we examine the resilience, rugged build architecture, and absolute long-term reliability of the professional display lineup. Bridging the gap between the compact powerhouse Dell UltraSharp U2720Q 27 4K LCD LED monitor and the monumental workspace standards found the expansive Dell UltraSharp 6K 32-inch monitor category. If you are someone who pushes hardware to its absolute limits running 247 command centers, high-vibration engineering workshops, or intensive video editing suites, you cannot afford hardware breakdowns. Just as you would research heavy equipment or tools like a related product guide for your rugged outdoor needs, your display hardware must be forged from high-grade aluminum alloys, reinforced internal circuit boards, and burn-resistant panels. Let's dive deep into why this hardware architecture is the ultimate fortress of visual productivity. The electronics market is saturated with disposable consumer monitors that wobble at the slightest touch, suffer from capacitor bloat after 3 years of heat exposure, and use low-grade plastics that crack under thermal stress. The Dell UltraSharp series breaks this frustrating cycle entirely. Built on a framework of heavy-gauge structural components, commercial-grade polymers, and robust metal-reinforced chassis designs, these displays are engineered to withstand the punishing environment of enterprise offices, grueling studios, and demanding home workspaces. The U2720Q 27-inch 4K variant, featuring 3840 by 2160 resolution and IPS technology, is legendary for its structural rigidity. It does not feel like a lightweight toy, it is a dense, well-anchored electronic instrument. When scaled up to the broader expectations of the Dell UltraSharp 6K 32-inch monitor class, the physical build quality matches the astronomical pixel density. Every hinge, port housing, and mounting bracket is tested against cyclic fatigue, ensuring that height adjustments, rotations, and tilt mechanisms remain tight and slip-free even after tens of thousands of movements. To achieve true ruggedness and multi-year reliability, a monitor must possess core specifications that protect both its physical components and its operational health. Here are the standout structural and performance features that make these units bulletproof investments: industrial-grade chassis and heat dissipation. The outer casing utilizes heavy-duty, flame-retardant thermoplastics and internal aluminum heat sinks. This passive thermal management prevents heat pockets from destroying logic boards during uninterrupted 16-hour workdays. Reinforced mechanical stand, the heavy metal baseplate and robust riser arms support multi-directional movement, pivot, swivel, tilt, height adjustment without sagging or wearing out over years of heavy repositioning. Solid-state capacitors and power-filtering high-tolerance electrical components protect against voltage spikes, dirty power grids, and electrical noise common in industrial settings. Scratch-resistant panel coating, the front IPS panel is laminated with a hard-coated 3H anti-glare treatment that resists accidental impacts, fingernail scratches, and aggressive chemical wipe-downs required in sterile lab or studio environments. Commercial-grade connectivity ports, DisplayPort, HDMI, and USB Celsius ports are securely anchored directly to the internal metal frame rather than resting solely on fragile circuit boards, preventing port breakage from repeated cable insertions. Check the link in the description to get yours today.